Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your profile location on Upwork. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply open your preferred browser and make sure to go to upwork.com. Once you do so, this should take you into the home screen. Here, make sure you're logged in into your account. If you're not, go and create into an account or logged in into your account or create an account if you don't have one. Now you can go and click at the top right corner, then simply click on your profile. This should take you into your profile right away. So let me just verify that you are a human. And here we are on our profile. Now, at the moment, as you can see, this is our location on my profile. So to change it, all you need to do, just go and then click on this profile settings. So once you click on it, you will be taken as example here. Here, all you need to do, go on this left option or panel, and here you will have to click on contact info. Once you do so, you should find yourself here. Here you'll have to scroll down and here you'll find location. Click on this icon right here, the pen icon, and you'll be able to take or to change your location. So go and change the location however you want, then simply go and click on updates. Once you update it, you successfully updated your location on Upwork. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.